Hi guys, welcome back to the Nitro Learning Python course. So now that we've finished integers and floating points, let's move on to the basics of strings. So let's start off by asking the good old question, what are strings? Well, strings are like the words of Python. They can have letters, numbers, or symbols, and combinations of any of them. So the syntax or grammar is like this. It can use single quotes or double quotes. You can also nest or put a single quote inside a double quote string and vice versa. I'll show you what that looks like in code now. So now that I've explained the basics of strings, let's code. Okay, so I'm here in a Jupyter notebook and let's just add a string in single quotes. Let's say hello world. That's a common phrase by programmers. Let's use double quotes and let's say hello world 2. And then let's put exclamation marks to show that we can do symbols also. And it brings back hello world 2. Now let's try doing what I meant by nesting or putting a single quote in a double quote string. This. I can't play right now. Let's add a space there. And we get I can't play right now. Now, if we did that with single quotes, we would get I can't play right now. That obviously looks wrong because part of it's in the string and part of it's out of the string. So if we run this, we'll get an error. We can also do that vice versa. I'll keep that to just show that that leaves an error. So let's do I can't, and then I'm just going to do that for now. Play now. We'll get back to that, even though that looks pretty weird, which is why you often won't nest a double quote in a single quote, but you might nest a single quote in a double quote. So that's all there is to basics of strings. I hope you learned something, and as always, this was Nitro Learn.